Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to complete the Book Voyage quest. First, find the quest giver in the main city to accept the mission. Make sure you have a map and a compass ready, as these are crucial for navigation. Also, check your inventory. You will need at least 3 empty slots to collect important quest items. This preparation ensures a smooth start to your adventure. Once the quest begins, use your map to navigate to the initial coordinates. These will lead you to the first key location. Look for interactive objects, such as ancient scrolls or forgotten chests, to uncover vital clues. Be prepared to face minor challenges. Defeating any enemies will clear your path and allow you to progress safely through the quest areas. Your primary goal is to locate and collect the 3 unique books. These are often found in distinct areas, each presenting a small puzzle or a guardian to overcome. Solving these challenges will grant you access to the books. Once you have them, take a moment to read their inscriptions. They often contain hints for the next stage or lore about the quest's origin. With all 3 books in hand, return to the original quest giver to complete your book voyage. They will acknowledge your success and bestow upon you a valuable reward, which might include gold, experience, or unique items. Before you go, check the description for a link to those amazing leak-proof containers and other great deals. Thank you for watching, and happy adventuring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.